Don't you just hate it when you're watching a YouTube video and you can't hear what the people are saying? And then the music is far too loud. This is going to be a very short video. Don't worry guys, I will get back to photography soon. It's just that I don't have anything to shoot at the moment and it's getting very close to Christmas, so there's not much around to shoot. But hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll get you something cool. What is going on guys? Shooting Dave here. So good to see your faces. Welcome back to the channel. Now if you're new here and you don't know what I'm about, well, I'm a photographer from London that now lives here in Los Angeles, and I make photo and video editing tutorials. So if that sounds like something of interest to you, then please do consider subscribing. Today we're going to be talking about my pet peeve on YouTube and how to fix it, no matter what software you're using. So if you're a beginner out there, then this is a hot tip for you. Before we jump in, I want to stress that I am no audio expert and I'm definitely not a professional when it comes to balancing audio levels. However, these tips will make the video sound better for you and your audience will thank you for it. For me, audio is the most important aspect of your videos. I can handle bad lighting, I can handle poor image quality, but if I can't hear what you're saying or my ears are being blown off, then I'm going to click off that video pretty quickly, and I'm likely to believe that you guys are just the same. So how do we fix it? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see, there are a couple of rules when balancing audio. Typically, you don't want anything to go any higher than minus 10 decibels. That could be talking, that could be music. You don't want it to go past minus 10 decibels. So basically, when you're talking on a track like this, you want to balance your highs and your lows of your voice a little bit, but basically as your average talking voice, you don't want that to be any higher or any lower than minus 10 decibels. But what about music? Again, music wants to be no higher than 10 decibels if music is the only thing that is going on your video. However, if you're talking and you have background music like I do, you don't want that any higher than minus 30 decibels. This gives enough range between your voice track and your music track so you can hear what the person is saying, but you can also hear the background music, but without it dominating too much. Don't believe me? Well, check out this example. This is corrected audio, and this is uncorrected audio. Corrected audio, uncorrected audio. You see, it makes a massive difference, so you definitely want to take that into consideration when balancing the audio in your videos. To make all of this easier, what you want to do is make sure that all your music is on one track and all your voice talking is on another track. This way you can balance your levels separately. So now you know, no more quiet voices and no more overly loud music. You're welcome. Well, that is all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions or any tips that you think any other viewers would need, leave them down below. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I've been at Shooting Dave, and as always guys, I will see you on the next one. See ya. That's a real Christmas tree. My first one. Festive as fuck.